welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time joining me here on my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button before we jump into it. So today we are going to be creating this super glam neutral eyes and bold lip. Honey, let's get into it. Do y'all see this look? Because I'm ready. I am ready. Let's get into it. So before we jump into the actual video, I did not get a chance to say this in my last video because it was already pre-recorded. But Happy New Year, you guys. Cheers to 2020. This is another decade, another year of blessings, another year of peace, another year of love, another year of happiness. You guys, 2020, it is so important to protect your energy, you guys. Protect your peace. I speak nothing but blessings over you guys and your families. I speak nothing but prosperity, peace. This is going to be a shifting year. God is about to shift some things, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's going to be a year of access. Some things that you thought you could not do, some things you thought that you would never do, you are going to do those things. You're going to launch those things and they're going to be a success. So are y'all ready? Because I am ready for 2020. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So as you guys can see, my eyelids are already primed. My brows are on fleek, honey. I have not heard that word like in a minute. Anyways, for shadow, we're going to jump straight into shadow, and I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35O palette, and we're just going to be creating a very soft, subtle makeup look. Today is actually my sister's birthday, and we're going to dinner, and then we're also going to a club, a party afterwards. And I'm not really sure what I'm wearing to the club or the dinner for real. Maybe this turtleneck with some jeans or something like that. But I don't know what I'm going to wear to the party. So I just decided to go ahead and just do something very neutral, something simple that can pretty much go with any type of look that I decide to go with. I think I kind of know what I'm going to wear, but I really don't know yet. Alright, enough of me jabbing. But I know you guys enjoy when I talk, don't you? Yeah, I know. I was actually going to film this video like with no sound, just me doing my makeup, how I did my graduation look. Let me know if you guys like those type of videos here on my channel. I honestly really enjoy talking to you guys, so I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and talk. Even though with all of these bright ass lights, your girl's gonna be a little ass hot with this hot ass turtleneck on. Neck gonna be sweating, back gonna be sweating, but I love y'all and I do it all for y'all. So we just gonna be a sweaty ass bitch over here until we finish with this video. So jumping straight into the eyeshadow, the first shade I'm going into is this shade right here, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade. And the next shade I'm going into is this shade right here. Sometimes I want to use like 5 brushes when doing a makeup look, but I swear becoming a makeup artist and learning how to do eyeshadow very quickly, especially when I do wedding parties because you have multiple people, I don't have time to use 5 brushes. Like 2 brushes, 3 brushes maximum, like to the max, and that's pretty much it. So I just pretty much get the brushes that I pretty much really love in my kit and just roll with those. And most of those are like Morphe, Sigma, and a few, I want to say eBay brushes, and e.l.f. is really good too. Nobody wants to sit in your makeup chair for 2 hours. So I'm just going to take this even darker chocolate shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner area. And being a makeup artist has also taught me like you don't need to use 10 different eyeshadows to get that blended gradient effect look. Long as you know what colors that you're using, like know about different color scales, what colors go together, what look you're going for, all of that. You don't need 12 eyeshadows, sis. 3, I say 4 at the max is good. Sometimes I use 2, sometimes I do 3. And when I say shades, I'm talking like what we're doing now, like not even including the lid. Because sometimes you might do want multiple colors on your lid, but I'm saying as far as like the blending. Every eyeshadow look is different. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm going to place a little bit of this on my lid, kind of just to help the color that I'm using to stick better, to show up better, and to give me the look that I'm going for. And as you guys can see, my cut crease is not super precise. I'm really just placing this down basically as a shadow base. And it's not going to be perfect at all, as you guys can see. So now that the base has something to stick to, we're going to go ahead and go in with this color right here. I did this look on one of my friends, and she's very chocolate, honey. Like, she chocolate. And mind you, I didn't have to use any concealer or anything, y'all, because she just had that skin tone that, like, you don't have to do all of that. But me, on the other hand, like, I have to kind of have something. Like, these colors still aren't light enough for the look that I'm going for. So basically, I also added a little bit of this eggshell kind of whitish shade, and that kind of helped lighten up this look too as well. So going back in with that chocolate color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. So no wing liner, everything's gonna be super simple, super basic. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. The lashes that I'm using are these Aliexpress lashes, of course, and these are in the style E11. So this is what they look like, y'all. They lit. This is my first time actually trying these, so I'm super excited to try these. So if I like these, y'all know I'm gonna be on Aliexpress website ordering some more. I still have that video coming for you guys, so you'll know which ones to pick from. But y'all, I cannot wait to try these. Moving on to the face for now. For primer, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. I have not used this primer in a minute, but I am going to be wearing my makeup for at least 8 to 10 hours. So I really need it to last and everything like that. And I love this primer. It does a good job at filling in my pores and also keeping me matte in my T-zone area. So when in doubt and I know that I need my makeup to last, I always go for and use this primer. So my camera actually cut off, but now we are blending out the foundation. And for foundation, I am using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Then for my concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape. Again, I'm using products that I know are going to keep me matte where I need to be matte and keep me dewy and glowing where I need to be dewy and glowing at. So this Maybelline is the truth with coverage, but I really want to go ahead and use my Laura Mercier, Mercier. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a chance and use my Fit Me. I really enjoyed using this powder in my last video. It's just their loose powder, and I really did enjoy it. It was just so flawless and gave me a very beautiful, smooth under eye. And then, of course, to set my entire face, I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. You guys, in my previous videos, I have not been contouring my nose. I don't know what has been up with that. Like, I'm like, have I forgot or what? But we gotta get that nose back snatched, honey, because I love a good and snatched nose. And then I love this so much. In my last video, I'm using the Milani powder again for my contour slash bronzer. And then for blush, I was just going to use my e.l.f. but I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. But let's try a different shade this time. I don't know if I tried this one on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And this one's called TAU, honey. T-A-U. That's what it's called. Tayo? Tay? Girl, this is what we're using. T-A-U. And y'all, I'm literally rushing. That's why I'm like so quiet and stuff at this point, because and normally after I finish my eyes, oh, I go 100 miles per hour. Y'all already know. But I have to do my sister's makeup, and her dinner is at 6 and it's already 6. So, and I don't like to be rushed when I'm doing my makeup or other people's makeup. Anything that I do, anything that I put my hands on, honey, is gonna be it, and it's gonna be beat. Anything that I do, I try to do the best that I can at. So I do not like to be rushed with anything. So for highlighter, I'm also going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter, their loose highlighter. Try not to tilt it too much, because this thing, girl, don't want to tilt this. It's already a lot in the thing anyway, like inside of the sifter. Oh my goodness, girl, this is enough for my whole face. Oh my goodness, that was way too much. But we're going to blend it on out. That is gorgeous. But let's get some of this highlighter off the nose. I OD'd a little bit. I'm going to just apply some mascara to my top lashes and bottom. These lashes are bomb. Aliexpress, here I come. So for my lip, I have like 5 lip options, you guys, but I have to choose one. And I don't know if I want to do a red or a deep sultry color. That is so yummy. But you know what? Let's go ahead. Oh, or I have a beautiful brown. Now that's really pretty. I want a red. I don't know what I want. Y'all, which one? Brown? Like y'all can tell me right now. Brown or red? This is kind of looking kind of holiday-ish. Let's go with the brown. Plus I just ordered this lipstick too. Let's go ahead with that one. And that is MAC Antique Velvet. That's the lipstick that I'm getting ready to put on. This look is fire. Super fire. I can't wait to draw my mold. Let me go ahead and make my intro, my outro. I gotta go. Y'all be blessed and see y'all in my next video.